In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a photography booking system in WooCommerce where users can book photo shoots with you through your website. First, install the Bookings for WooCommerce plugin. Go to Products, Add New, and create a product where users can book a photography session. Give it a name. In the Product Data panel, select Booking as the product type. Under Booking Settings, set the booking unit to Day to enable time slots. In the Time Slots tab, check Enable Time Slots and set your slot duration to the length of the session, for example, 60 minutes. Configure your first slot time and last slot end time, then set your price per slot. Choose Diary View for a graphical time slot display that makes it easy for your customers to select the time they want. Publish your product, and clients will see a date picker with available time slots. You now have an easy-to-use system where clients can book and pay for sessions with you directly through your website.